Actress Ms. Shilpa Shetty amongst us and Mr. Carlos Almeida.
It is all Goa River Marathon 7 वर्ष झाली होत आहे आणि इट्स अ फॅन्टॅस्टिक मॅरेथॉन. I is like Vasco and Goenka actually proud. I am actually proud as a Vascoite that we had participants from about 14-15 countries. We had participants from all the states, and it's a proud moment for all of us that the Goa River Marathon is held in Vasco.
It makes me feel very happy that you have not taken your health for granted. You've come out on a Sunday morning and see you look so refreshed. You're feeling healthy already. And when I see good health, that makes me feel very happy. So wishing you all very good health, because that truly is wealth. It's wonderful to run for health. So I'm really happy to see this great turnout, and Goa just rocks. So I'd just like to say one thing to all of you. ये जो आप आज निकले हैं, मेरे लिए वो एफर्ट सुपर से बहुत. All the best and great health to all of you.
इस बार पार्टिसिपेंट 10 किलोमीटर में ज़्यादा हमने देखा. 5 किलोमीटर की वजह से 10 किलोमीटर में सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट अच्छा है. हमारा ग्रुप की वजह से भी बहुत सारा लोग आया था पूरा. लेकिन ये पूरा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज अच्छा हुआ है इस बार. इवन बाकी का भी अरेंजमेंट बहुत बढ़िया सा हुआ है. और मैराथन बाकी की जगह से इधर सक्सेसफुल ज़्यादा दिख रहा है.
The new organization has done a wonderful job. Lots of participation. Very good. The route is beautiful. And luckily the weather god was very good today, so we had a real good run.